Hey guys, in this lesson you will learn how to work with terminal windows. Alright, here you can open your terminal by pressing command and space or searching in the launchpad. If you cannot see any window after you click on the app, you can click shell and then new window. Okay, now there's another thing. If you want to open another window with a different theme in the terminal, you can press new window, and here you can select the theme as you want, and it will open a new terminal window with that theme. Okay, like this. Now for future use, what if we want to save these terminal windows with all the commands that we entered earlier? For example, in this green color window, I will go to desktop, and there's a folder in my desktop called cd. That folder name is coffee programmer, coffee, and there's a space. For that I will say / and space. I use this because I want to define there as a space, then coffee programmer. Alright, we will stay in this terminal window, and in this terminal window I won't go to desktop. Okay, now we want to save both of these windows as it is. For example, if we close this and open that saved window again, that window should open particular commands. That means that window should execute particular commands that we executed earlier. Now I to save this, I will click this window, then in the above, then I will click save windows as group. Okay, now here you can enter the window group name as you wish. For example, I can say as my name and window group. Here we had earlier group sets, that why I use 3 here. Now if you want to save all commands that we used in this window and in this window, we can click this restore all commands. That means when we open this window group again, all the windows will execute its commands. Alright, if you unselect that, you will get some empty window without any commands. Now here, use window group when terminal starts. When you terminal start, it asks for, do you want to open this window group? We don't want to do that. Then we can click save. Okay, now let me go ahead and close the terminal and open that terminal again. Now what if we want to open our window group that we created earlier? To do that, we can close the newest terminal window that opened, then click window, then open window group. Now you can select what is the window group that you created. This is the one. Now you can see in the green color window, we created the command for visit into the folder in my desktop, which is coffee programmer. In this window, we only navigated into our desktop folder. Alright, that is it for this lesson, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.